Can I have one, please?
You want a sip?
Sure.
Here, take a sip.
Is it hot?
No, not anymore.
Okay. I feel it's hot.
No, it won't be. It won't burn you. Did you get some?
No.
Here, try it in. You hold it. You get some. You hold it. Did you get it?
No.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Well, here. I'm gonna let go of the cup. You hold the cup. You got it? Now drink some tea.
Don't burn me.
No, it's not gonna burn you. It's not hot anymore. It's just warm now.
I promise, Ellie. Ellie, put your finger there. It's not hot.
Don't put your finger in my tea.
Mom,
Yes?
can you mix it up? I feel it's hot.
It's not hot. I promise you.
I feel it's hot.
Just put your finger there, Ellie.
No,
I promise
the
it's not
cup's
hot.
not even hot.
Put your finger in it.
It's warm a little bit.
Put
It's
your
not
finger
even
in it.
really warm. But don't put your finger in my tea.
And now I feel it hot. I feel very hot.
You don't want any?
Sure.
Okay, got it? I'm letting go. Do you like it?
Was it hot?
Is it hot? No. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure you like it?
Yeah.
Do you love your mommy?
Yeah.
And who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
The cat.
The
I
cat?
I love it, that cat.
Oh, the cup.
Yeah, I love the cat. It's just so nice.
Mickey
And
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
But who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
There's another person on there. There's Dono.
Ready? Classic misdirection.
Pluto. Yay,
Except it's
Pluto.
the 2-year-old doing it to you.
Pluto. Pluto.
Hey, Ellie,
Yeah,
who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
take a picture.
I am taking a picture. Hey, but who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
William.
You love William more?
And just.
So, honey, with your phone, can you take a still picture during a video without interrupting it?
No.
Oh, I can.
Oh, wait, maybe I can.